Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight's video we're going to be doing a full post review on this painting you see in front of you. This comes from the Diamond Art Club and this is called Raspberry Daiquiri. This is a 55 by 70 full square drill with 1 AB. And I started this back on January 5th. I finished this on March 21st. And I was doing, I believe there were 3 other projects that I was doing while I was working on this, and on top of that going on holidays. I also had to wait for special drills, so it took me a little bit longer than I anticipated. I was kind of hoping it would only take me a few weeks. But it is now finished, and just going to go over this with you quickly. It is a beautiful painting. This is the first painting I've done like this, where it's a chalkboard effect, and I think it turned out pretty well. Now, I had mentioned that I was waiting for special drills, and I have been working with a supplier on their AB crystals, and they're similar to the sparklers, but they're not quite the same. So when they reached out to me and asked me if I would consider trying them out, I thought, well, sure. And they sent me, I believe, a couple of bags, but I was a little bit ambitious and decided that I was going to swap some of the color out of this painting and put those special AB crystals in the painting. Now, in order for me to do that, I needed more. So I decided I was going to buy more of what they sent me, just so that I can complete the painting in what I had already started. And they were very excited that I was doing this. So I'm just going to show you what I have done. Now, in this painting, a lot of the white that you're seeing is the AB drills. But right alongside of it, it's a little bit more sparkly, has a lot of shine to it, and those are those special AB crystals. Now, this is a size 8, and they worked perfectly to fit in with those squares. I didn't think I was going to be able to use them in here, but they work perfectly. And the really nice thing is these special crystals pick up on all of the colors. So depending on how you look at it, it's going to show you that specific color. So as I'm looking at it right now, this section here almost looks like a hot pink, which seems to be bouncing off of this glass color here. Whereas if I look down here in where the green is, there's lime green base here. Let me bring this up so you can see what I'm talking about. So this lime green, it's picking, these crystals is picking that color up. So it looks like more of a green gold color. And then when you look at the top, it's also picking up this lime green color. So depending on how you're looking at this painting, gives you that different look to those crystals. And I think it looks really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera so that I can actually hold the camera and show you where I've placed those crystals. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about them? I'd really like to hear your comments. So we will be right back. So everyone, we're back, and I just wanted to show you where I put those crystals and see what you think. Like right here in the R, you're going to see that the crystals are lining right beside those AB drills. So if you bring it up, you're going to see a little bit more of a different sparkle to them, and it really does bring out those AB drills. So throughout a lot of the lettering, so here in the D, you're going to see them lining alongside as well. I'm just going to bring this out a little bit. There you go. So you can see that they're right through here. And then as we go through, you're going to see that they're right here in this line as well, down through here. I'm just going to move my table, and I'm going to see if by moving this table, you can actually see the different colors coming through those crystals. So very sparkly. I love the drills. The only problem that I had, and I'm going to be honest, as I always am, the only problem that I had was that I had a lot of nubs in with the darker color. I believe this was 3371. There were quite a bit of nubs, but tons of extra drills, so not an issue. So here I just wanted to point out, see how those special crystals are picking up the pink color from the cup here. But if we go down and look at these drills here, well, no, because these are kind of picking up on the pink. But we're going to just kind of come through here. And you're going to see the special drills are in here. And then here you can see that the drills are actually picking up more of a yellow color. So they do pick up quite a bit of different shades of color depending on how you're looking at them. But they are beautiful and they really enhance this painting a lot. So I just wanted to show that to you and see what you think. Let me know. I would love to hear what you guys think about these special drills. So again, we're going to go ahead and pause the camera so that I can put it back on the tripod, and I will go over my final thoughts. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, we're back. Again, this is Raspberry Daiquiri from the Diamond Art Club. It is a 55 by 70 and it's a full square drill. I really enjoyed working on this painting. I think it turned out beautiful. I have a special idea of how I'm going to prepare this for framing, and I'm going to do a video on how I'm going to do that once I'm able to go out shopping to get the paint. So anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Please take care of yourselves, be healthy, and be safe. So by saying that, everyone, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. But don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. It'll let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it is evening for you, have a very pleasant evening. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.